Chief Minister Pema Khandu, who proposed for a debate on the creation of autonomous region considering the reactions from people, the Bharatiya Janata Party of the state stands and support for the discussion. The president of BJP stated that the CBOs should grab this opportunity and participate in the debate while appreciating the initiative and putting forward the public decision on the Autonomous Council. The President expresses it would be injustice to have particular district for the agreement on the Autonomous Council, while on the other side, NESA stands against the demand for non-autonomous region. Nishi ethnic students of Arunachal demands resignation of Chief Minister Pema Khandu, claiming that he is biased for the public of Arunachal and no development has been taken so far for the smart city. The organization also appealed CBOs to not attend the meeting proposed by Chief Minister, supporting Anya on Ban call to condemn the call for autonomous region while demanding Thani Autonomous Council to be made. APSSB Aspirants Interim Committee for Justice and Reformation today gave ultimatum to the state government if their demands are not fulfilled within a week. There were allegations of corruption in the examination for LDC and JSA conducted by APSSB. About 30,000 candidates appeared for the examination at 80 different centres across the state on 2nd February this year. The results were declared on the same month. However, a blank answer sheet with roll number 2025546 was publicized on social media. The committee has demanded to make the report of 2 by member of high-level inquiry committee to publicize and to suspend and terminate all the officers and officials involved in the job scam and file criminal charge sheet against the brokers, vendors and candidates too. Deputy Commissioner Tawang addressed the Gaon Buras and the villagers of the district through live webcast for Gandagi Mukt Bharat, a week-long behavior change campaign from today till 15th of August. He also requested the villagers to collect all the single-use plastics and hand it over to the PHE department while providing plant sapling by the forest and PHE department for plantation drive. He further requested the villagers to maintain the guidelines and strictly follow the SOPs. He also highlighted on nutritional kitchen garden and cluster farm program of the government under which the farmers will be provided with free seeds and agricultural tools. The main branch of SBI at Bank Tenali has been sealed after 4 employees of the bank has been detected positive for COVID-19. The branch is being properly sanitized following the guidelines of the administration and health department SOP. The chief manager informs that the bank may open on Monday after proper sanitization, appealing the consumers to bear with the inconvenience caused due to the closure of the bank branch. A blood donation camp was held in Ramakrishna Mission Hospital today, where the Arunachal Voluntary Blood Donors Organization, a unit of the Arunachal Vivekananda Yuva Shakti, Ramesh JK, told the people to donate blood since the demand is higher than the supply. He also expressed that 6 people died because of the shortage of blood during this pandemic. He also assured that the hospital is fully sanitized and follows the SOP regularly. He appealed the public to voluntarily come for donating blood and not wait for the social media or anyone to ask for it. He said giving blood would save someone's life and is the most happiest feeling of all. As per the sources, organizations came to help for the blood donation. Almost 2,000 donors have come up voluntarily, but sadly there is still a shortage of blood. That's all for today. Keep watching Arunachal Mirror for more updates. Thank you.